times their childhood. So all they together, then they started prasad and did kirtan, no? जय गोविंद जय गोपाल केशव माधव दीन दयाल जय गो जय गोविंद जय गोपाल केशव माधव दीन दयाल केशव माधव दीन दयाल केशव माधव दीन दयाल केशव दीन दयाल प्रभु दीन दयाल केशव माधव दीन दयाल हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल जय गौरा हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। जय श्री श्री नंद महाराज नंद बाबा की जय, यशोदा मैया की जय, गोकुल महावन की जय, ऑल वृंदावन धाम वासी की जय, उद्धव महाराज की जय, समस्त गुरु वर्ग की जय। So we are now in Gokul Mahavan. Everyone, we mentally we are there. We sit all together there. We in Gokul Mahavan, Nanda Maharaj's past palace there. Then Purnamasi also there. They started their katha. They told Uddhav, you told he has no father, no mother, no birth, no body, no friends, no enemy, no lover, nothing. But you see here, Uddhava astonished what to say. Uddhava also, many philosophers about this God, they say he has no form, he has no attributes, no qualities, nothing. In Jnana, Yoga, Brahmavadis, Mayavadis, all they say this. Uddhav also explained before, same thing. But here now, Uddhava told, yes. If some God have nothing, so what is the meaning of God? If he has nothing, no love, no friend, nothing there, no activities, means this is one type of atheism. All atheists, they have this one type of category of the atheist. Prachanna nastika, they say. Indirectly, they say same atheism. Yes, so Uddhav also received Vatsalya Prem, the parental mood of the love and the motherhood, how enjoy Krishna there. Then here Gokula Mahavan, they after feast, then next day they woke up and they started to move to Krishna's. They went to discuss how Krishna grew up. Sukadeva Goswami explained, Kalena Alpena Rajarse Gokule Ramo Kesavau Janubhyang Sahapanibhyam Ringamanu Bijakratuhu. In Bhagavatam, 8th chapter, 10th canto, explained, with short time, Rama and Krishna, they both started to move with their knees and hands. First, like a human, grow first like a reptile, like moving by belly like a snake. Then later on, they grow like animal. This is the system of body, human body, how grow up. Their muscles, their nerve system, and their bones, the structure grow like this. So Supreme Lord also he saw this, how to do move this. So first he move, when he move like a snake, and this is not so much moving. So mother was not so excited for him and anxiety for him. But when he started to move with like an animal, hands and legs, then he created a big anxiety to mother. She go everywhere and destroy everything, they throw out everything, and many times mother both Ramakrishna told this verse. Gokule Rama Kesavavu. In Gokula Dham, in house, Rama and Kesavavu. Janubhyang Sahapanibhyang, with their thigh and hand, Ringamano Bijahatruhu. They started to move. What they did, then mothers, they decorated this, the ornaments, dress, cosmetics, and many dress also in their anklet, the nupur, bell, anklet bell. So when they dressed there, then these anklets, they started to sounding, no? Sound come, when the sound come, they run more. They think, oh, somebody is coming. So both they together, and when they get little chance opening the door, they go outside and Braja Kardamesu. They did mad in Braja. These cows, urine there, many mud there. They go and they rolling there. They become beautiful there. Mother is anxiety, they decorated them, clean them with the dress, new dress, they do they immediately come and contaminate everything there. So what they will do, immediately come and sometimes beating, you are so nutty, so restless, you cannot do this, that, they take, then they have no teeth came. So little they came, they laugh, they smile, so mother also enjoying this maternal love and enjoying this. Then another he told, Sringi Drashti, there are big bulls there. No one can go them. They are sharp horns, so no one could enter there. But they go and they climb in the bull where they are sleeping and go and play with them in the up. Then everyone all gopis come. Oh, maybe this bull can kill them. So all gopis came and they take and they go to Jasoda. Your son is going. This is a big bull. He's very cruel. Maybe beat. But bulls are enjoying with Krishna's company. Also, they are sleeping there. Bulls. That Krishna go and sleep. I mean, bull also thinking like father and son. So enjoying they also this love. And some calf, they cut the calf's tail. Then calf started to walk, they also Patangi then calves and run, they also go follow them and started to they cut their tail and then they cry. So when they cry, then these calves go more fast than they cry, then all gopis come. Then they all join there, everyone, oh, they see how Mandati, how you get this tail of the calves. So this is like a everyday drama, you know. Many pastimes they were doing, playing, and mother, father always never allow them to take little rest. They always anxiety, maybe sometimes go to the cat and dog, and they go and they cut them, they put there, they maybe they bite. So Dransti and Naki with nails and teeth and horn always go with them and play with them. So mother's always anxiety there. Then in this way, they explain Krishna, Balaram was doing here these. And Uddhav put this clay in his head. To get this bhava to understand before his realization about Krishna, that's difference. Now he took this Vatsalya Prem, and then after Sukadeva Goswami told, Kalena Ramakrishnascha Gokuli. Now they started to walk after some time. Then they, without hand, without leg, they started to walking and running. So they went to others' house, and other children also joined. Tatascha Bhagavan Krishna Gokule Saharamo Brajastrinang Chikride Janayana Mudam. Sukadeva told Saharam with Ram, Balaram, with all also playmates, children, they are together now, we came together. They wanted to please to give bliss to all gopis, means maternal motherhood. That is, they want to give them happiness. So what they did, all gopis are there. So gopis are coming and complaining to Mother Yashoda. Every day they told, when Krishna was there, we all come and complain to Yashoda. Your son is so nutty, so restless. He is going our inside and destroy our yogurt pot and steal and giving to monkeys and distributing and break. We are always every day are coming and complaining. Your Mother Yashoda also there, remembering Krishna's pastimes. Every day his house was like a festival. Devatas also comes, Narada also comes, and all gopis comes, others comes. So all every day complaining to see him, to see his Leela, it was always there. Then that time Madhumangala, Siddhama, Subala and all this, his friends also present there now. They remember their childhood. Like, okay, yes. Then Mother Yashoda, Purnamasi is explaining. Then Mother Yashoda, they were coming and complaining this. So they revived these pastimes, and they felt this Krishna is now there and he is doing all these pastimes there. Subala, Sudam and other his playmates, they came together and they told, yes, when Krishna was there, we don't want anything, even we don't want to eat also. We don't want to go to house. We don't want to sleep. We always wanted to stay with Krishna and play with him. We forget to food to eat. And we go to, when we feel hungry, we enter to any house and to steal the water. Because Krishna says, oh, if we steal, then it's more tasty. If you eat, somebody give it, it's not tasty. If you go hidingly and take this with, no one can see with fear, if you eat, this is very tasty. So we join with him and we together we went. The how Krishna teach us, they first he told you go, their mother's house, they still go there. They told you go and you tell them, oh mother, how are you doing? Well, you are always busy. But you speak this and after Dandavat, do this. So they touch the feet. So they are very sober and very humble. They go enter there. Then they call mother, how are you doing? Always busy. You have so much work. And do they talking. And others, they enter inside our house. And they started to eat and also distributing to this, other to monkeys, dogs, and cats. They enjoy making feast. After some time when I saw, oh, they are so clever, so naughty. They come immediately to the talk with others, how they are doing this. We go come to Yashoda and we complaining, your son is doing this. How he can teach it to our children? So how to teach still? He is still. And the mother Yashoda told, why don't you keep in the up? They are children, small, how they can take this? They need to know. Rachati viding upaya, he find a solution how to take. May one after one they sit and they go to up and they make, otherwise they can break their clay pot. Then when they come, so they make this. How they do this? Yes, he doing this. And what they are okay. Children, why don't you give something? They are children, your church, your son also there. No, Krishna to teach them. If you steal and eat, so you are more. So they don't listen to us, they only listen to Krishna. Regarding a child's life, they grow up. After when they grow up, they always stay with the friends. They want to play. They don't want to even go to mother, father. They always they want play with friends. This is more attachment. This rasas, the bhav change one to another. So always they wanted to stay with him. They want to hear them, and they don't want to hear to us. He doing, what should we do? But Mother Yashoda was looking, because one ingredients, sentiment is mothers in the maternal affections, they chastise, they beat also, they do this is also their part of their rasas, bhava. So but mother wants to ask Krishna, you do in every word, they are complaining again. Then Krishna changed, trembled his face like fear. So everyone they melted their heart. They then started to cry, my son can never do like this. This is his fear, his house, he feeling shy, and same time Krishna also looking others, different way, different mood, different face. So he was so artistic. So everyone we enjoy here. So all this his childhood pastimes. They discussed there in Nandamara house. Once they went to Brahmanda Ghat to see near Yamuna who are doing parikrama in Gokul. They go to Brahmanda Ghat. Once Krishna ate the clay in Yamuna, near Yamuna in Gokul. So before they were complaining about eating yogurt and butter. Now all they saw, Balaram also saw that Krishna was hidingly sitting and eating this. The Supreme Lord, who are his pure devotees, who was inflicting devotion, they don't want anything from Krishna. Only they love to Krishna, they serve to Krishna. So Krishna also take the feet dust. Told in 11th canto, he told, such devotees, I follow them, their feet dust, to also put my head, who has no any desire in this planet, only they have a desire to love to me and praise. So how I repay them? So I also pray. He told in 11th canto. Now in his pastime, he showed this. He is putting in his head and eating. Then first Madhuvangala saw, hey, where is Kanha? He is not here. Where is he hiding? Then they saw one hiding place. He is eating. Then immediately they go, oh, Kanha is eating clay, dirty. Then came. Balaram also came. Hey, why you are eating clay? Hey, this is not good for body. This is become you ill. You become sick. Why? Kanha is not daring them or eating time. Hey, stop, otherwise you will call to mother. Whoever. He's never cared to them and eating his ecstasy. Is doing. Immediately they ran away to call, mother, mother, come. Everyone, they went, Balaram also went, come. What happened? You tell, you come. They pull his mother's hand. Come, you see the Kanha. So he came and they told, Kanha is eating all the hidingly this way. Then mother also became anxiety, came. Why this? Immediately he caught to Krishna's hand because maybe he ran. Thus he told, tell you, before they are complaining, you are taking yogurt. We don't have anything sweet, peda, many things to eat. Why you are eating all these things? No, I never eat. I don't eat this. They told to Uddhava how your Supreme Lord, you are Lord, how he is speaking lie, how he is nutty. You see, you say he is beyond 3 gunas. He is out of this, no friend, no love. You see, then mothers also when come, he fear Krishna, fear there. Then a mother told her, all to your playmates, they are saying, complaining, you eat this. Okay. Then he told, no, they speak lie. I will speak, why I will eat this. No, then Balaram was standing there. Your elder brother also saying this, you eat this. No, he is also speaking lie. Then everyone who was there, the Subala, Sudama, others were present. They told, no, we speak truth. They started to speak, we speak truth, because they revived their memory. Then all they together, then Krishna told to mother, because maybe beat, sometimes mother's affection, this love to beat, to chastise, to teach. So maybe can beat mother. Then immediately Krishna told, if I eat, you see my face, mouth, I eat. Yes, you open. Then he opened his Then Mother Yashoda also there, he saw whole universe there with all the these planets, stars, and ocean, mountain, every living creatures, all, and also saw Govardhan, Gokul there, Mother Yashoda there, also Krishna there inside, everything there. And Mother could not understand what is happening there. When she saw everything, Krishna saw opulence, sweet, madhurya, and Aishwarya. He saw this, and he saw to Arjuna in Bhagavad Gita, in Mahabharata. Arjuna became very fearful, scared. He told, "Oh, I did mistake. You are thinking he is my friend, my relative. Who are you?" He told in 11th chapter. Who are you? No, I don't know. He is many things. Then he told, "Excuse me, I have done any offense to you." But here, Mother Yashoda saw, then she could not understand, she astonished. Then immediate Krishna changed his yoga Maya Purnamasi, then started same love to Krishna. And he said, "Oh, dissipated everything." And what happened? Maybe some ghosts, maybe some black magic, something happened, I saw. Maybe some problem come to my son. So she started to some ritual mantras and touch with the cow's tail, so he can cure this disease in India. If babies, the child have any problem, they take to cow and cow's tail. If they touch the body, anything bad action there, it will be removed. Now also still they do this here because cows have such divine qualities there. And they put also dust there. Sometimes they also drink cow urine. So inside some ghost will go away. Cannot stay this because cows smell and its association, ghosts cannot stay there. Then they took there in this way. Another time also when mother was keeping in lap and enjoying the beauty of sun and just decorating, painting, touching, rolling, embracing, kissing. So Krishna feel bored. What to do? Mother is not allowed to free. He want to play. Mother is want to play with him. So that what he did. Krishna then open his yawning. He opened and whole universe is saw. Then he became astonished. So Krishna got some relief from mother's exercise. So she saw all the universe 2 times. He saw Mother Yashoda much like, I saw this, but I don't understand what is this. Same, this pastime happened in Gokul Vrindavan, and another time Nanda Maharaj came, Mother Rohini also there, and Yashoda, both there, they prepare all their lunch. And Krishna, Balaram, they were playing with all their playmates. And passing time, they don't come. Nanda Maharaj came for lunch, he is sitting there. Then Mother Yashoda told to Rohini, Rohini, go, you call to Ramakrishna. Now the time for lunch, and father came. Mother Rohini went there a little far and he went there. Hey, Krishna, Balaram, come, come. Father came and mother is calling to food. They don't listen, don't care for Mother Rohini. She calls again and again, they are far. Then Rohini came, he told to Jasoda, so they don't listen to me. You go. Otherwise, they don't listen to me. They don't come to, I told them. Then immediately Jasoda went there. Then very loudly called, hey, my son, my father, come, you drink your milk is there. Milk is now passing time. Your father came and they are waiting for lunch. Hey, Madhumangala, Sudama, Subala, you go your house. They take care, they do clean. You are all contaminated there for him. When he loudly spoke, then immediately, oh, mother is calling, they break everything in place, and they run away. Balaram is one hand, Krishna is one hand. So Mother Yasoda is coming and Shukadeva Goswami is glorifying how Taman Ananta Sesa Sekharam, Sesa Dev Sekhar who was sleeping, Ananta Dev and Lord Narayana, Vishnu, both by the maternal love, how they are each other. They caught the hand of Mother Yashoda and Krishna told, I defeated Balaram also. They do not play with me. And he defeated me. I am very, very proud. So Mother Yashoda is feeling, because in childhood, no, they are like a little craziness there. So Mother was enjoying their childhood, this love. So they are just revived these pastimes. So this is written in Srimad Bhagavatam, and another pastime, more deep this. Once we will discuss little Damodara Leela in short, many Leelas. There was one, this mortar where they are crushing the grains. It was there. So then they saw this. Then you see, Uddhav, what is this, you know? Krishna one day, he did so mischief. So this Damodara Leela started in this month of Kartik, in Deepavalis, this no moon time. Everyone, they went to their house, all maid servants, they went for their house to clean, and they perform Govardhana Puja. So all they engaged with their. And Mother Yashoda once she told, I was thinking, maybe Krishna never eat our butter. He never steal our butter. But all gopis are coming, they say, their house he is going, he is eating and he is destroying there. So maybe our butter is not so sweet, maybe sour. Because the servants, they cannot make proper way. So she thought, I will make myself for my son. So she collected from special cows milk, and in night time she put in the pot. Some milk also she put in oven, because that is, night is very long in winter time. Before they, after evening, they eat and they go to sleep quickly, not like nowadays, you go to midnight, no electric light there, so they are living in it natural. So immediately they quickly they sleep and open. So all children, they will cry because they feel hungry. So the mothers, they keep separately for food for them, and they wake up, they cry for food. So this mother also kept in oven some milk. Krishna always sleeping with the mother, and mothers always speak some story. Mother Yashoda speak about Ramayana, about Prahlada Charitra and Dhruva's pastimes, Prahlada's times. So Krishna was enjoying his pastime and sleep. Every night they do this. And That day, Krishna was lying in bed. Mother woke up early because early they have to take the yogurt. If sunrise, then the yogurt will melt and cannot come out. She came out, changed her cloth, clean, took one silken sari and sit there and started to churning the yogurt. When she started to churning, this is for Krishna. Always thinking about Krishna. Mothers always thinking about how my son eat more and become more strong and become more immediately become young maybe. They think they are poor. I saw many, they cry and they push their mouth forcibly to eat. So they always think. So that time, mothers by affection, she was singing about Krishna's pastime. After many worshipping, many fasting, tirtha, and we do charity and tirtha, I got my son. She is my life. She is singing, oh my son, and churning with her bundles, nice music coming, and mother's tune is like cuckoo. So she is singing very sweet and music with churning magic. Oh, Krishna's pastimes, how Krishna can sleep. So started to wake up and he started to cry in bed. You are thinking, if I cry, mother will come and take me. This is their children, they have a little, they nature this. They cry, then they will come and take. So then what mother is engaged fully with mentally, with orally, physically engaged with this churning. So mother did not come. Then Krishna could not tolerate. He started to more loudly cry. When mother did not come, then she started to come with like animal, come by the leg and the hand, is crying and coming. Then mother, she came, Krishna came to her near, but mother don't hear his cry and he don't see because fully meditated to his singing his pastimes. Then Krishna came and saw this is churning, this yoga to this stick create a problem to me because I don't allow to hear my cry. So he first he stopped, he caught this stick. When the mother stopped his hand, what happened? He saw, oh, Krishna is there and crying, oh, he's crying there for milk. Same time also by crying maternal affection and love, milk comes from breast and Krishna could not tolerate. Then immediate he took his up. Mother told, oh, my son become intelligent because he understood how to cut this. Because other father mother think maybe he's not clever, he's maybe fool. So they always test their intelligence to mind how develop. Same mother's affection, he became, she felt my son is intelligent, how to stop this, he did this. And took and put, caught in his lap and offer breast. Krishna is sucking milk and very mother's lap is like swing, soft there. And mother started to churning, so he's just moving there and drinking milk, hearing his pastime. This is so ecstasy there, no? No one can give such pleasure. So she was enjoying this, but some problem come. But that milk, which was in oven, he started to little fire more. Then there is Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, they told this milk, oh, thought, repent, I cannot serve to Krishna. because mother's milk never stop, never finish, and Krishna also never go out. I will die in this fire. So he became also excited and come out to fire. When come out to fire, then the fire burnt the milk, then air bring this smell to mother's nose and go to mother. Oh, and it, oh, milk is burning. So immediately told Krishna, Kanna, we go to take out milk. This milk for you, I put in oven. Go, come out. Krishna, no, no, no. No, I will not. He caught with two hands mother's breast and he does not want to go out in Putana. He also wanted 10,000 elephants power with Putana, which there. She could not able to remove Krishna when Krishna was only 6 days, 5, 6 days that time. And she lost his life. But here, power of bhakti, this power of the bhakti, how Krishna does not want to leave, but mother told when he took in two hands and put him out. Said there, say mother is walking like that. He became loudly, go and put Krishna there and went to take out the oven because the milk was burning. Then she went there and removed from the oven the pot and make proper stay. But Krishna became angry. He lost his this exciting his bliss, taking mother's milk, hearing his pastimes, and lap is moving there, swimming, swinging. So he lost, so he became angry. This milk, this yogurt, lost my milk, so I will break this. What he did, one stone where they are pasting with a stone, they using before with there was there. So he brought this bowl and then threw this yogurt pot and there. Yogurt pot broke and all yogurt surrounding there, spread there. Now broke, he saw all the yogurt come out, butter, everything is there. So now mother will come and because he never did in his house. He did in others' house. Now today he started in his house. So he did before in every house, go and break there. I never did in his house. Now he started this. So what to do? Now already little light came. So mother did not came, not he understood. Mother's, the anklet, the sound comes, anklet bell. So then he immediately entered to the storeroom where they kept the yogurt, ghee, all the storeroom. Then they entered there. This was dark. He entered there. When he entered there to hiding, he saw there, oh, big pot, butter is there. Then he saw there is little window there. Then he opened this. Then in the outside saw many monkeys and birds. They are waiting for him in outside because every day he started to whistle. Then all monkeys came there and birds came there. They understood Krishna is calling. Then he take out all the butter and distributing there. There are some, they say, from past, their friends, they are Hanuman and Sugriv, Angad, who are joining with Ramachandra's time. They are constructed the bridge to go enter to Lanka. Now, in these pastimes, they also come and they enjoying Krishna's this prasadam. So they all came. Then also Garuda came, little bird, crow like this. They all came and they have Krishna. Take, immediate take. If your mother come, then he will angry to take it and throwing this. Then mother came, she saw, oh, yogurt pot was broken. She saw how it broken. She saw this stone is there. So she became angry and throw this. Inside she became little happy because son is intelligent. How to break he knows. And he is also strong. He took this, carried this stone. So he became strong. Also he became intelligent. And so he did this. But this is not good. If we break this, and he every year, every house he is going, they complaining me, they break house. He is doing this. But now what happened? Where he has gone? A little light coming. So mother have also always fear for demons, they are coming. So something happened. So where he has gone, he is also anxiety with many bhavas, many sentiments. Then devotees, they always find how to catch the Lord. We hide. Then his feet by Jogut, feet was it's wet there. When he walked, then his feet is like footprint there. So when mother saw this, where he has gone, follow this storeroom they have, he entered there. He entered, he saw there, he's saying, oh, mother will come, you eat. He saw this thing backside and how he is doing. So naughty, restless. He every day he is going to every house distribute these monkeys. Yeah, what shall I do? And he says, mother will come. You can take it. You take immediate. You take it. Pushing this. He always cheating me. Always say, oh, they are speaking lie. I do lie, and you want to cheating me. Which what shall I do? I must be chastise him, punish him. Otherwise, he will do always. Then he will never become a gentle. How he can go do like this to chastise? How he will do? Then he to go to bring one stick. So there was another corner, one stick there. She went to bring the stick. And when she went a little fast, then her bundle and his anklet bells, they started to move and his sound come. Then Krishna heard this sound, oh, come. And he saw come out of where mother is going. Mother is bringing the stick. When caught the stick, he told, oh, today, no escape. What I should do? He started to see this, then he opened this door there and he come out. Mothers, they have strength inside the house. They cannot go outside, no? They feel shy. Then they were told, okay, today you stay outside, you don't come to house. I will never give you food where you will stay. They little like this. But that day was problem because no men, they are there. All are in Govardhana Puja, they stay night time for the sacrifice there. So no man there. So with no man, then women have no problem. Then they can come out with a stick. Mother came out. And when saw Krishna, mother came out, then she started to run. And mother also started to run. This both in early morning and Gokul, they started running there. Already gopis came out there because little light came. They woke up to clean, sweeping, and maintaining their morning work. When they saw, oh, mother is running and Krishna is running fast, then what happened today? My mother and son have big drama today. What happened to they asked? And mother was saying, I will never leave you, always cheating me and always lying me. I will beat you. Where will you go? Mother is louding and running. His brother Krishna was looking backside. Maybe then he come. Mother is little become fat, become age. Young age they can start go fast. Mother is grow up and become fat. how she can walk. Mother was thinking maybe little boy, how can I can cut it? Who can yogis with their mind? They never touch him. How mother can touch him? In Damodara Astak, it is nice. This Leela is written there. Namami Swaram Sachidananda Rupam Lasada Kundalam Gokule Bhajmanam. So, Yashoda Bhiolu Khalabdhavmanam Ram Rustamartya Tatodrita Gopya. Yashoda Bhiolu, by fearing the Yashoda is running. It's very beautiful. Astaka there. Then the mother could not calm their mother's this her hair is open, flowers fell down. They started to also be big, more little fat body. How can she run? She understood, I cannot catch. This boy is running so fast, looking and crying and running. All the gopis then mother told her to cut him, cut him, cut him. He is doing that. Gopis, they are enjoying their father, mothers there. So they are smiling. Then mother think, okay, he is fearing to this stick. Maybe I will throw out so he can stay there. So he told, okay, you stay. I will not beat you. I throw the stick. Krishna's mother throw the stick. Then he is crying and staying like this. At least I saved it from a stick. By hand, how much he can beat? This is not. Then he started. Then started to cry, cry and like this. Then cut his ear. You are always doing this other's house. I know this. So today I will not allow you to give food. I will tie you and I will teach you. You will never do again like that. Then it brought, and this thinking very, very small body, his belly, she can tie with a small rope. And she brought there, this Ulukhala was there. They are looking this Ulukhala there, this place. They tied, he wanted to tie one, this small rope there. They again they bring another one. When this tying, just going to touch, but no more is to put one knot there. Another is she joint, it's tying. What happened? She did not understand. All gopis also came, Mother Rohini came, Balaram came, Mother Sakas came, Mother they joined to the what happened. He is doing all this. You see, break this pot, this putting this. Every day doing, he always saying, Mother, I never to do this. All are there speaking lie. Now I understood he should be chastised. Then, but he is Ananda. Who can tie him? He is everyone binding the others there. Then all she was joining, extending, but never do this. All gopis and Rohini, maybe you have, your son have some mystic power. No one can bind him. How it is possible you become crazy? How long you are jointing one after another, you cannot stop, cannot bind. But Mother was so determined to teach Krishna. So Krishna saw, Krupaya Asisha Bandhane, Parisramam Mataraha Drushta, saw mother's Parisramam, how she became tired, then immediately come to tie up. And immediate mother tied when they put tightly, maybe go out to sit. He told her, you stay here, I will not give you food, not to go today, allowed to go outside, and I will teach you. She went to work, other works, then Krishna was there. So, gopis tell the Damodara Kala. Dama means rope, Udara means belly. So she was tied with, though they called, they were teaching him, Damodar. Hey Damodar, you did this, so they punished mother, no? You are Damodar. So they cursing there, so that Damodar's this Leela happened this. So later on, this true trees there by Narada Sakar's Kubera's two sons, Manigriva and Malakubera there. So Krishna saw them to fulfill Narada's the words. He crossed there to pool there and they remove this. They do two devatas, demigods come out. They offer Dandavata Pranam to him, glorify to him. And after fell down these trees, Nanda Maharaj and others, they run, come. What happened? Without rain, without cyclone, how fell down? They saw Krishna was there, tied up. When Krishna saw to Nanda Maharaj, he started to cry. Nanda Maharaj came, what happened? Who did this? Mother did this. He did not give me food to eat, and I ran. Then he stretched me divine. Okay, come to Mother. Others, they wanted to open. He told to Siddham Subal to open. This is no one open. Who can open this? Is mother's love. This is not a simple rope. Then father can open. So father can open. He stayed there. Then after that, the Krishna told, I will not go to mother. I will stay with you. Then the Rohini came. Others came. And mother saw this happen. Big problem. Who fell down this tree. I did this mistake. She became fainted. She fainted there, senseless, fell down. What happened to my son? Then Mother Rohini told, come, if you don't go to how your mother, what will you eat? Who will? No, I will eat laddu with my father. I will not go to eat with mother. So then he said, your mother is dead, you see. Then Krishna jumped there, and when he touched to mother, again mother came to sense. Then she took this Damodara Lila is very beautiful in Bhagavatam, and Shukadeva told, Goswami told, Nemang Biranji na bhavo no Sri Rapi Anka Sansraya Prasad Lebhire Gopi Jatat Prapya Vimuktidat, where Brahma could not get such blessings. Mahadeva could not get blessings. Lakshmi Devi also could not get blessings. Who can tie him? But Gopi mother, Yashoda Vai love, he can tie. So they told to Uddhav. Uddhav became astonished. Then mother also started, Yashoda mother started to cry. Oh, I did this offense. I do not understand. You say he is Bhagavan. I did offense. Maybe by this he left to us. Now I see started to cry. When mother started to cry, all gopis and also they all started to cry. Uddhav also cried. So simultaneously in separation, they have the full of bliss, same time full of also tears. It's both together with Uddhav's all this time they all started to cry, and then Uddhava bow down his head to mother. You are the Yashoda, you gave the fame. Yasha means fame to all these pastimes. And they all started to do kirtan. Govinda Jai Jai Gopal Jai Jai Govinda Jai Jai Govinda Jai Jai Gopal Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai Radha Ramana Hari Govinda Jai Jai Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari जय गुरु गौरांग हरि गोविंद गोपीनाथ मदन मोहन जी की जय। गोकुल महावन की जय। जय गोकुल धाम की जय। दामोदर लीला की जय। जसोदा माता की जय। नंद बाबा की जय। उद्धव महाराज की जय। पुरुषोत्तम व्रत की जय। पुरुषोत्तम भगवान की जय। जय समस्त गुरु वर्ग की जय। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि।
श्री महाराज की जय।
Arti time already. Yes.